There's old Crappie. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. That's what I'm talking about. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Well, guys, coming out to Lake Ray Roberts. We're going to see if we can get on some crappie, guys. If you guys are seeing this, you already know we caught some crappie, guys. So you guys stay tuned, stay connected, and once we get onto the fish, once we get out there and get on the fish, we'll get back with you guys. So I am taking the old kayak out. Here we go. I am taking the kayak out. We're going to chase some crappie and see if we can find some. If not, we're going to look for some sand bass, see if they're out and about. So you guys stay tuned, stay connected. See you in a bit. Come on, fishy, fishy. There it is. Here's our first keeper. Here's our first keeper. Yes. Yes. Here's our first keeper, guys. Ooh-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Get in there, boy. Get in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's the crappie. Woo-wee. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a crappie. Yes. There's another crappie, guys. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Got one, guys. One to go. Or one to start out with, actually. There's old Crappie. There's old Crappie. Woo-wee. Just let him go. It's a little short, but it's a crappie, guys. There we go. There's a crappie. There's a keeper crappie, guys. Oh, my bell opened. My bell opened. Come here, boy. Yes. There's old crappie. Woo-wee. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Get in there, boy. Get in there. Number 2, guys. Number 2. crappie. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Number 3, baby. Number 3. Get in there. Oh yeah, there's old Tank. There's old Tank. Yes. Yes. Settle down, bud. Settle down. Settle down. Woo-wee! That's what we came for right there, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Let's go. Number 4, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Get in there. Got here catfish. Yeah. Little cat. What's up, kitty kitty? What's up, kitty kitty? Got old Blue. It's baby Blue. No, it's a channel cat. It's a channel cat. See you later, dude. See you later. Old Sandy. Got old Sandy. Settle down, bud. Settle down. So you guys that haven't caught sand bass before, these right here on the side, these on the gills, it is razor sharp, guys. It'll cut you like a razor blade. You guys can see that in the camera. This one not so much, but it will. But this one on the inside, that first one, it's razor sharp, guys. It'll cut you up. It'll cut you up. It's a nice keeper right there, though. I'm not gonna keep him. Just let him go. See you later, dude. Thanks for stopping by, anyways. Settle down, Pete Squeaks. There's old Crappie. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, Mr. Crappie. Come here, Mr. Crappie. We're gonna see if you're gonna make the team. Oh, right at 10. Not trusting it. See you later, dude. Thanks for stopping by, though. Oh yeah, there's old Crappie. There's old Crappie. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go. He might make the cut. Let's see. He might make the cut. Oh man, right at a little bit over 10. Not trusting it. I got ice in there, so they'll shrivel up. Not doing it. Gotta be 10.5. You go home. 10.5. You go home, buddy. Yeah, you ain't gonna make it either. Keep working out. You'll make the team, buddy. Keep working out. Oh yeah, this is like a good one. He's a keeper. He's a keeper. Definitely a keeper. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you're gonna make the team. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get in there. Number 5, baby. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. See you later, dude. Thanks for stopping by anyways. Looking for the grandes. Need a grande meal. Yeah, buddy. Get over here. Get over here. Tell your mom and pops come play. Tell them come play. There's old Crappie. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. That's what I'm talking about. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah. 10.5, baby. Go to the house. We're going to the house, baby. Number 6. It's been a struggle today, but getting there. Getting there. Crappie up. Seem like they're starting to bite, so we'll see. Hopefully they continue. Trying to fish under the bridge, but there's a lot of people there, so there for a minute and I just left. Too many people. There's old Crappie. There's old Crappie. Well, this wind in the spotlight, boy, it's crazy. It is crazy. There's old Crappie. Settle down, bud. We'll let you go. See you later, dude. Thanks for stopping by. Gotta be a biggin in there. Gotta be a biggin somewhere. Gotta be a biggin somewhere. Gotta be. Where you at? Where you at, Mr. Crappie? Bigger. It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. And the wind's coming and the storm's coming. There's old Crappie. Oh, Crappie. There's old Crappie. There's old keeper. There's old keeper. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Number 8. Number 8, baby. Get in there, boy. Get in there. Storm's coming, guys. Storm's coming. I should be leaving. I should be leaving. Here's another crappie. Here's another crappie. Settle down, bud. Settle down. See you later, dude. See you later. See you next time, bud.